In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VLOOKUP with Airtable. If you've ever worked with databases or spreadsheets before, you're likely familiar with VLOOKUP, which allows you to search for a specific value in one column and return a corresponding value from another column. It's a powerful tool, and today we'll dive into how you can replicate this functionality in Airtable. First, we'll head over to Airtable. If you don't have the app open, no worries. You can easily access it by opening your web browser and typing in airtable.com. Once there, you'll notice the sign in button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to get started. When prompted, enter your account details. If you're not signed in, go ahead and fill in your credentials and then click on continue to proceed. After you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to your Airtable homepage. From here, select the specific table where you want to perform the lookup. This is crucial as you'll be linking data between different tables, simulating the VLOOKUP functionality. Once you've got your table open, the next step would be setting up for the lookup. To initiate the process, head over to the search function within your table and type in lookup. This will guide you to the appropriate actions, enabling you to link records between tables. After you search, one of the options you'll see is link to another record. Click on this option. What you're doing here is essentially creating a relationship between two tables. Next, you need to decide which table you want to look up data in. Click on the table that contains the data you're interested in. This will direct you to a list of fields available in that specific table. Now it's time to create a new field in your original table that will house the retrieved data. Click on Create Field to make this happen. Once your field is created, it's important you specify which fields you want to look up from the linked table. You'll see these fields when you click on the desired fields you want to look up section. Be mindful to select relevant data here to ensure your lookup operation is accurate and meaningful. Finally, you'll add this field to your workspace by clicking on Add One Field. And that's it. You've essentially performed a VLOOKUP operation within Airtable by linking and looking up fields between different tables. This method not only saves you time, but also makes your data analysis more dynamic and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in providing a better understanding of how to use lookup operations in Airtable.